The piano is both a percussion instrument and a string instrument. It's a string instrument because it has strings, but it's a percussion instrument because hammers hit those strings in a percussive way. In biblical times, there are references to a harp and a lyre, and while they're not keyboard instruments, they were plucked, and that provided the technology that was used in the harpsichord. But a harpsichord was not loud enough to meet the needs of 18th century, 19th century audiences, and so a new technology using the same strings came along, but they were hit with a hammer. And using the hammers and strings, louder and bigger sounds were available, and the piano really came into its own. My name is Clint Barrick, and this is a quick note about the piano.